In this video, we will learn to install Anaconda, create conda environment, and install Python and Jupyter Notebook for Mac operating system. Firstly, we need to open the anaconda.com install macOS website and click on the macOS installer. Enter your email address to register for free, and the link will send to your email. Open your email and click on the link that is sent to your address and start the download for Apple Silicon for all Mac laptops and Intel if using a Mac PC. It might take few minutes to download depending on your internet. Open the installer and allow to run the program. After reading the terms and conditions, press continue. Install for all users for this computer and press install. Enter the username password for this device and wait for a few minutes for the installer to finish the process. It might take few minutes. Press done once the installation is completed. Use command plus space and type terminal and double click to open terminal and type conda list to verify if Anaconda is successfully installed. We can see a list of dependencies, so ours is installed successfully. Then we will check if Python and pip are automatically installed with Anaconda by typing command pip version and which Python. We can see that pip 24 is installed for Anaconda 3 and Python 3.12 is also installed. Now we will create a separate environment for the Anaconda for specific installations for different versions. For this, we will type conda create --name and py environment. You can keep any. I chose py environment just for an example. And then type y for yes to proceed and activate your environment by typing conda activate and the name of your environment that you've set. In this case, it is PYENV, py environment. Now, because we've created a new environment, we will see if pip and Python are here. So we will type the same commands which we've done before, which Python and pip version, and we can see that they are not found. So we will use conda to install pip in this specific environment. Now, when pip is installed, we can see that Python is installed as a dependency to it, and we can check by typing python -- version, and we can see that Python 3.12 is successfully installed. Now, using pip, we will install Jupyter Notebook by typing pip install Jupyter in the terminal. Once it is installed, just type Jupyter Notebook and the process will start. Copy any link and paste it to the Google Chrome or Firefox or even yes, you can see that here we are copying the link and opening it in Google Chrome. So yes, it's done. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, then please like and share it.